If you'd like to create a Payoneer account and verify it without having any issue, this is the video for you. So in this video, I'll be creating a Payoneer account from start to finish, and I will be verifying it right in this video. Let's dive right in. Actually, this is how it started. A friend sent about $400 to one of my Gmail that is not linked to any Payoneer account. So I have to create a Payoneer account with that Gmail. That is actually what happens. Let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is to go to Payoneer website, click on sign up and earn $25, but just focus on the sign up. So you click the sign up button, so it will lead you to this page where you select the category you fall in. So you can either pick freelancing or SMB and online seller, affiliate marketer. So just pick the first one, which is freelancing, especially if you're in Nigeria. So from there, it will lead you to this page that we are right now. Get the full power of Payoneer. So just click on it and you get to this page, freelancer, agency or service provider. So it is still this, just click on register. So just click on register and so it will lead you to the sign up page. So and you just start with this page. This is where you start inputting your details and just click on individual. Don't click on company. So and fill this out. Make sure you fill this out with the correct details. Just nothing special. Just fill it out and it will lead you to the next page. It will lead you to the next page, which is contact details. So you have to fill your address and stuff like that. So you just fill out all the details. And there are actually 3 phases to creating a successful Payoneer account. And the first one is application. You apply and you fill out the form, what you just did now. And the second one is review. So it will be under review and you have to submit every document. The third step is that you have to receive payment. And in most cases, they expect you to earn the payment that you will receive through their partnering companies like Fiverr, Upwork, ClickBanks and the like. So don't tell a friend to transfer it to you, maybe through Payoneer to Payoneer transfer. Just make sure you earn it, or you just link your new Payoneer account to someone else's Fiverr account to just make the withdrawal of minimum of $50. After then, they will issue you a receiving account. So your account is now ready for use. It will be standard. So those are the 3 steps that is required. So try to log into the new account. Log in. So you have a page like this, very blank. So you don't have the balance yet, so you don't have a receiving account yet. You first have to fill the security question. So it will require that you verify your Gmail. So you verify your Gmail. After verifying your Gmail, you fill out the security question. For now, you won't see anything under verification, but you'll have to check back. So check back maybe after like 3 hours or so. So just check back and log in. So you'll have to verify your ID, your identity. So just verify your ID, and after that they can ask for you to verify the address too. So you verify the ID and maybe one utility bill, use that one to verify the address. After that, you just have to receive $50 worth of funds so that they can give you receiving account. Use it for your Fiverr and Upwork and your accounts will be very okay. So that's just the step. So thanks for watching this video and see you in my next video. Thank you.